How to lower blood pressure fast without medications and avoid their side effects. Hypertension occurs when the blood pressure of an individual is above 140/90ths of a millimeter of mercury. It can be treated naturally, or with medication, but the latter often has its own side effects. This condition is common, and often appears without showing any symptoms or signs, but can lead to serious health issues, like pain, leg cramps, insomnia, dizziness, abnormal heart rates and even death. Yet, for all those who do not want to take drugs and medications all their life, we offer several natural solutions to the problem. Method 1. ACV and baking soda. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda and some water. Drink it right away, twice daily. Apple cider vinegar is high in calcium, potassium, magnesium, and other nutrients which protect the artery walls. Baking soda regulates blood pressure and the pH levels of the body. Method 2. Bananas. Bananas are high in potassium which regulates the sodium levels and normalize blood pressure. You should consume 2 bananas daily to maintain your optimal health. Method 3. Lemon juice. Squeeze a lemon into a glass of water and consume it daily on an empty stomach, before your breakfast. Lemons hydrate the body, relax the blood vessels, protect the walls of vessels, and provide high levels of numerous vitamins and potassium, which is a natural sodium reductor. Method 4. Garlic. Garlic is one of the healthiest foods on the planet, and it effectively regulates cholesterol and blood pressure. It contains sulfur compounds, like diallyl disulfide, diallyl trisulfide, and allicin, which naturally stimulate the production of nitric oxide. You should consume 2 cloves of raw garlic daily. Here are some additional tips which will help you keep blood pressure under control. Eat healthy foods. Exercise regularly. Avoid alcohol and cigarettes. Limit the daily limit of caffeine. Avoid salt.